Hi wonderful person, welcome in Jakarta, Indonesia. Let me show you wonderful business luxury hotel located in heart of Jakarta city. Ashley Wahid Hasim Jakarta hotel. Let's go inside, I will show you everything. Parking zone, entrance to the main parking. On the ground floor, main lobby. Laundry room, 24-hour access laundry room, ideal for long stay guests or busy travelers, equipped by the latest washing drying machine, iron board and standing steamer. Restaurant where serves the best home cooked food. Believe me, I tried. That prepared by the best chef. Smoking zone. Bar. 10 meetings room, up to 150 person. Gym. Equipped by trading mules, standing bike and dumbbell set. One of the two ballrooms, up to 500 persons. Smoking zone for ballrooms. Now we are in the largest Ashley suite room. This room have like two parts. Sleeping zone where a large double bed with king coil mattress, JBL Bluetooth speaker, and lounge working zone with working desk, sofa and big smart TV with Netflix account. Also we have here cool mini bar, coffee machine, tea, coffee, bottled water, closet, bathrobes. Down we have slippers and hair dryer, mirror, safety deposit box, and we have here bath. Also we have here cold and hot shower, everything what you need like two brushes, comb, shaving set and fresh towels. Here is superior twin room with two beds, TV with possibility to order Netflix account, so cozy corner with nice view. There are table, soft chair, bottled water, coffee, tea, teapot, JBL Bluetooth speaker, closet with cool mini bar and safety deposit box inside. Fresh towels. Hot and cold shower. My favorite executive room with semi-circular huge windows. Smart TV with Netflix, large bed, JBL Bluetooth speaker, coffee machine, tea, water. Just keep in mind, if you have business suit, jacket or long dress, you cannot normally hang them in the closet because not enough space, even short t-shirt. Cool mini bar, mirror, fresh towels, shower. Now you can see the results of Wi-Fi speed test in the room. I spent 2 days here and actually I like it everything, especially meals in the restaurant and skyline city view in the room. Room prices in Ashley Wahid Hasim Hotel from 50 to 115 US dollars per night or 800,000 to 1,700,000 IDR. And of course, I will remember for a long time hospitable staff of Ashley Wahid Hasim who are always ready to give any suggestion of the needs. Big advantage of this hotel is a perfect location right in the center of Jakarta and easy access to subway, MRT, bus station, shopping malls, business district or entertainment.